Today we're going to show you how to install an ice maker in a top mount GE refrigerator. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the back cover off of the top right corner. It can either be foam or in some cases it's just metal resistant, heat resistant, cool resistant tape. So you want to pull that off. Then you're going to want to put the tube along with the connection with tape on it and push it through the back of the ice maker. And prior to doing that, you're going to want to pull the interior cap off the inside of the ice maker. So you'll see a cap in the top left corner. It's typically white. Go ahead and pull that out and then push your tube along with the plastic connection elbow through the back of the refrigerator until it's firmly planted on the back of the unit. Then you're going to want to go and install the ice maker inside the unit. There's usually 2 caps or 2 screws along the left wall. If there's 2 screws, go ahead and loosen those about 3/4 of the way so that enough of the stem is hanging out. Then what you're going to want to do is connect the wiring harness to the connection point in the back left bottom part of the freezer. Grab your ice maker after that wire has been connected. Make sure it's firmly connected into that connection point. Hang the ice maker on those 2 screws that are 3/4 of the way sticking out. Once you hang those, you can go ahead and tighten those down. The ice maker inside has now been installed. Go back to the back portion of the refrigerator where you push the tube through, and you'll see there's 2 clips that will connect the ice maker tube in the back of the refrigerator so as not to have that hanging freely on the back of the unit. Then you're going to want to go to the bottom of the unit, pull off 3 screws on the lower panel. You'll see there's it's like a cardboard panel that's over the back bottom portion of the refrigerator. The screws are on the right side. You'll see 1 on the top, 1 in the middle right, and 1 on the bottom right. Pull those back, grab your ice maker with the tube, connect the wiring harness that is back in the bottom right corner, connect that, go ahead and attach the screw through the outside of the panel into the refrigerator, as well as connecting the ice maker at the same time. And then you'll see in the bottom portion of that panel, there's an area that you can bring that tube through. Connect your final 2 screws on the back panel, and that's it. Make sure your ice maker is connected to the water line of the home. That's all you need to do.